assembly plant at the coast. The company has already set aside $10 million or about 900 million shillings to set up shop in Kenya.
This is not the opening of any other conventionally built house in Kenya. This is one among several prefabricated houses that have been put up for free by a Turkish construction firm for police officers at Mbaraki police station in Mombasa. It took just 15 days to complete each of these houses. And considering the Kenya Police Force has over the years suffered a shortage of housing for its officers, this prefabricated home construction model appears to have impressed senior men in the force as a viable housing option for the police.
I would invite you to come to police headquarters.
According to Osman Erding, the Chief Executive Officer of Elsek and Elsek Construction, raw materials for the prefab houses are locally sourced. The houses comprise a steel skeleton and walls made out of fiber cement boards. Upon completion, each of these prefabs should cost at least 1.5 million shillings.
We have a construction line can produce in the factory like 2,000 square meters per day, and then 24-hour shift, and then the erection at site will take about, let's say for a 100 square meter house, it will be about 15 to 20 days, depending of weather condition.
The Turkish firm plans to put up a factory by the end of next year on a 16-acre piece of land in Mtwapa to scale up the production of such houses. The plant will provide direct employment to 2,000 people. The company also wants to go a step further by providing interest-free loans to buyers of prefabricated houses.
Loan to peoples in Kenya, up to 5 years, up to 15 years for institution. So we already started giving this loan to universities, and now we start with the individuals.
The entry of the Turkish firm into the prefab homes market comes at a time when the government is in the process of enacting a new building code that will encourage property developers to shift away from stone and mortar as the primary building materials. But it remains to be seen whether Kenyans will adopt prefab homes as the dwelling of the future. Stephen Kimani, K24 Business.
Listed